Welcome to our detailed guide on how to sign in, register, and activate your Sony LIV account. Follow the simple steps below to get started with your Sony LIV subscription and enjoy your favorite shows and movies. Step 1. Open the Sony LIV website or app first. Launch your preferred web browser on your device, or open the Sony LIV mobile app. If you're using a web browser, go to www.sonyliv.com. Step 2. Sign in or register. If you already have an account, click on the Sign In button located at the top right of the website or app. Enter your email address and password and click Sign In to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, follow the registration steps below. Step 3. Register for a new account, if you're a new user. On the Sign In page, click on the Register button. Enter your email address, mobile number, and create a password. Select your preferred language and click Sign Up. You may receive a verification code via email or SMS. Enter the code to verify your account. Step 4. Choose your subscription plan. Once you've registered and logged in, you'll be prompted to choose your subscription plan. Select the plan that best suits your viewing preferences and click Subscribe. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your payment and activate your subscription. Step 5. Activate your device, if required. If you're activating Sony LIV on a new device, you might be asked to enter an activation code. Visit www.sonyliv.com, activate on your browser, and enter the activation code displayed on your device. Log in using your registered Sony LIV account details. Once successfully activated, you can start enjoying all the content on Sony LIV. Step 6. Start streaming. Once activated, navigate through the app or website and enjoy exclusive movies, shows, and sports content. If you face any issues during registration or activation, ensure your internet connection is stable. Double-check the activation code and make sure you're entering it correctly. If the issue persists, visit the Help Center on Sony LIV for more assistance. With these simple steps, you're ready to enjoy endless entertainment on Sony LIV. Make sure to subscribe to get the best of exclusive content from Sony LIV.